What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. I got myself a little project, Ferrari 488 Spider, and for some minor body work, just the front bumper damage. Let's take a look and see exactly what's going on with it. So we got a beautiful Ferrari with a little boo-boo, you know, nothing too crazy, just the bumper damage, little scrape. Gonna do a little bit of body work and repaint this whole bumper. So in this video, we're gonna show you guys the whole process, what needs to be done in order to make this bumper 100% perfect. So let's pull the car inside, start taking everything apart, and we'll go from there. And also, if you're new to this channel and you enjoy this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe and turn your bell notification because we post new videos every week, new video. Don't forget to like this video. I got the Ferrari in the shop so we could start working it, and I got to remove the bumper completely. And I got the Ferrari on QUICKJACK. Once again, big shout out to QUICKJACK for making my life a lot easier. If you guys need a set like this, I'll put all their info down in the description, so check them out. But yeah, we're all set and ready to go. We'll be using best system ever. Look how quickly it goes up as well. Boom. That's it, very easy. And now I got a 360. I could work around the car, no problem. But in order to remove the bumper, you gotta remove the front wheels, fender liners, and then free everything up here as well. Let's take a look what exactly we have to do. Up here, I gotta remove this cover, and then I should be able to get to the bolts. And then bunch of bolts at the bottom. Pretty much we're gonna have a million bolts by the time we remove this bumper. So let's start with the front department and then fender liners and all that fun stuff. Let's go. That's it, just loosen the bumper on the top, and this is what you do pretty much. Remove those two front panels, and then you got hidden bolts. You remove them, everything is loose up here. So next we'll remove the wheels, remove the fender liners and everything at the bottom, all the screws. And then for the final, we got 3 bolts right here, and then the bumper should come off. And then whenever I'm working with a Ferrari or ceramic brakes, calipers, you want to use something like this, so when the wheel comes off, you don't damage or it doesn't slip accidentally. Always use that pin. That's it, just remove the bumper, so now I could install the wheels back and lower the car. And we're gonna work on the bumper. And look how much stuff I gotta remove just to paint this bumper. So let's install the wheels, get the car out of the shop, and we'll start working on the bumper. And the bumper also has a clear bra protection on the bumper, so we gotta remove this and then we gotta reinstall the new one. Hopefully this should come off fairly easy. Yeah, comes off pretty easy. And what's nice about this fan, that you could set up the temperature so you don't overheat. And just comes off really easy. And this clear bra almost saved the bumper. Almost. Look, a lot of it comes off. Just this pretty much. Wow, this clear bra does a good thing. It saves your bumper from like minor scratches. Oh, that's crazy. Just like 2 scrapes and that's it, but this saved the bumper for sure. Crazy, huh? The clear bra saved the whole bumper. She's right.
Down to the paint though.
Yeah. So pretty much we got just 2 little scrapes. Those were pretty deep that went through the clear bra. But the rest is looking perfect, and right here as well. So still gonna have to repaint the bumper completely, but the clear bra does help. It saves your paint from any minor scratches. If it didn't go too deep, then you're in good hands. All right, let's continue stripping the whole bumper and get it over to the paint department. Just took the whole bumper apart, and man, that was quite a bit of work, not gonna lie, lots of pieces. And I also removed the clear bra as well, so my job is done for now. We'll let Andre do his magic, repaint the bumper, and I'll start putting everything back together. Ferrari bumper got painted, so now time to put it back together. It's a lot easier to take it apart than to put it back together. So we got a lot of pieces. So this is the bottom of the bumper and this is the top. So we need to connect everything together, install all the grills, and then here's my side grills as well. If you guys want to see step-by-step paint job, check out Andre's YouTube channel, LNC Painter, and he has a complete full video about it. All right, just put the bumper completely together and it's looking good. Took me some time, but so much work, you guys don't even understand. Gotta put everything super carefully so nothing gets scratched, and this is what it looks like. Let's go grab the car, pull it inside the shop, install the bumper, and get it all wrapped up and ready to go. Lots of toys up front. Let's pull this bad boy in. And this is one of my favorite Ferraris. This is a beast, my friends. This is a really nice Ferrari. Plus it's a Spider, so fun car to drive summertime. Fire in the hole. I got the Ferrari in the shop up in the air so we could install the bumper. Once again, big shout out to QUICKJACK for making my life a lot easier to work on those cars. Perfect, just how I like it. Okay, just secured the bumper everywhere, and before I put all the plastics and all the under shield, I usually like to check all my gaps. So let's close the hood, double check everything, because now is the best time to realign if something is not good. Perfect gaps over here, perfect gaps here. Everything lining up perfect. And same with this side. Okay, I'm happy. So now we could secure everything and install all the covers, and we should be good to go. And that's it, Ferrari is ready to go. Next we'll do a wash detail and it's ready for delivery. But came out beautiful, perfect color match. Everything just looking great. Wow, beautiful car. I love the white color as well, white with black interior. So let's pull the car out, give it a quick bath, and ready to go. That's it, Ferrari is washed, detailed, and ready to go. Wow, came out beautiful. Let's take a look. Check it out. We also installed the clear bra on it, so now it has a protection on the new bumper, and this is looking good. Another happy customer. That's what we like to see. And happy Friday. A lot of cars were left today, so it's always a good day. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new to this channel, and you guys enjoy this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your bell notification, because we post new videos every week, new video. Don't forget to like this video as well, and I'll catch you guys in the next build. До свидания!